Alright, we have a 2012 Nissan Rogue, and today we're gonna make show you something very simple and very easy. This one we're gonna be doing the oil reset light today. So guys, we just did an oil change, and as you see in here guys, you have to lock the door because you got be always getting a door sign. So you lock your door, right? Then it takes you into that mode. First you put on your ignition, right? Then you press this one, press it again, drive a distance till you see settings. And if you reach the setting guys, then you head into a good direction. Then you hold the button, then it takes you into the menu, setting menu. Then you could change like this, where that way you could change the clock, unit, alarm, language, maintenance. And then you hold again, you press maintenance. All right, you see your tire pressure, whatever. Then you go service, then you press once. Then you see reset, you go and you press reset. You press reset, a hold, and then reset to 0 guys. And this is where you could change your interval, like when your car tell you service due, this is 1. When it reach 100,000 kilometers, it tells you change your oil. But you could change it like this guys. You just press it one time, then you change it to 1500, 1200, 15, 2000, as much as you want to do. Okay, so you don't want to leave it too far because you need to change your oil as regular as you can. That will be the lifespan of your car. So I put it down to 100,000 for this person because this car is pretty old still. So even though he go over a little bit, then he still be on a good range. And make sure always use synthetic oil. And then you tap it like that guys, and then it's out. And then you could check anything else. Let's just spin, and then you go back up to exit. And that's it guys. This will bring you back out to the menu where you can now select anything else and do anything else. Alright guys, so if this video helps you in any way, this is a 2012 Nissan Rogue. It goes to other Nissan too. So if you have a Nissan and you have this button here too, and it's a Rogue, Altima, whatever, this might be helpful for you. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing so you could get notification, and leave a comment in the comment section guys. If it's something you want to see, leave it in the comment section and I will address it as soon as possible guys. Alright guys, thank you. Catch you on the next one and have a great day guys. I'm out.